Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of feedback on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve feedback on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app, and you will enter. Here in this page, you will enter to force stop, and you can click OK. Here in this list, you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.